Hey guys, I'm over here at Weirdo's future location, just down the road from History Class Brewing Company. Today, Jessica's mixing up some experimental drinks. Let's check it out.
To accompany our delicious beers, I'm working on some craft cocktails that we will keg and put on tap for you to enjoy. You could call these concoctions a bit weird, and some of them are. My hope is to create a flavor adventure that'll wow the pants right off you.
Ooh, can I try one?
You sure can, Seth. Try this one.
Looks tasty. Ugh, it's going all over my hands.
The transformation, it's almost complete.
Yep, that's tasty.